The toxic air then enters your and takes your life for a deadly ride. Asthma, lung cancer, chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases, heart disease, stroke, acute respiratory infections in children. Studies reveal it reaches WHO standard air quality inside your car in just 2 minutes. It costs less than 1/10 of a conventional car air purifier. It is powered by the world's first active molecular technology with minimum airflow resistance. Let's understand the Airlens Car Air Sanitizer's functionality diagrammatically. As soon as the airflow enters, it goes through 3 layers before it gets ready for you to breathe. Layer 1 is where dust and pollen gets captured. Layer 2, which is called the AMT layer, where PM2.5, PM10, bacteria and other germs are captured. Then the air comes to the 3rd layer, where it meets optimally packed activated carbon material that traps harmful gases, VOCs and odor. This product can be termed as the epitome of dust fitted in some cars which can't protect you from pollution. A sanitizer very skillfully banishes harmful particles, bacteria, germs and toxic gases and the car's powerful fan system. These sanitizers come with a lifespan of 6 months. We are delighted to find support and association from education institutes like Stanford, AIMS and IITs.